This video is to kind of celebrate the fact that my credit score went up 64 points. I'm super excited. I'm excited because, you know, that helps a lot. I don't know if any of you, if your credit score were to go up that much. Some people, it could go even higher than that. But for me, 64, and I take it. My credit wasn't even that bad. I had pretty good credit, but there was something there that I didn't even know I had in there. And, you know, this company removed it for me. So I'm super stoked and I'm excited. I was able to rejoice with God today, and I'm ready to go into the next level, the new level of dimension that I can, you know, set myself apart when it comes to my finances and really go after the things that I want and still be frugal and be cautious with my finances at the same time. But this is definitely a great help. If you are thinking about using these services, I definitely encourage you to do it. You know, I'm not somebody who would, you know, endorse anything that would not work. And if something worked for me, I know that it could work for many of you that are watching.